Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2015 government pass question. Question number 23 says, which of the which of these international organizations in Nigeria is a member majority because of our economic interest? Which of these international organizations in Nigeria a member majority because of our economic interest? Now, option A says UN, option B say Commonwealth, option C say AU, option D say Opec. Now, when we talk of UN, UN means United Nations. Option B say Commonwealth, which is colonial states. Option C say AU, which is African Union. Option C say Opec, which is organization of petroleum exporting countries. So Nigeria is a leading member of this organization, which is option D, OPEC. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.